In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make fraction visuals on PowerPoint. If you're looking to incorporate mathematical fractions into your presentations, to add clarity and professionalism, you're in the right place. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you can easily integrate this feature into any presentation. Whether it's for educational purposes, a business meeting, or simply to enhance the visual appeal of your slides, adding fractions can be incredibly useful. First, we'll start by launching PowerPoint on your computer. If you don't already have it installed, you'll need to do so, as this is essential for our guide today. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the specific presentation file you want to work on. This could be an existing file where you want to add fraction visuals, or you might be starting anew. Either way, getting to your presentation will set us off on the right path. Now, once you have your presentation ready, you'll need to move to the Insert tab. This tab is located in the top menu bar of PowerPoint and holds a variety of options for adding different types of content to your slides. It's a really powerful tool when it comes to enriching your slides with varied content, from images and shapes to the more complex equation tool that we'll be focusing on today. With the Insert tab open, it's time to locate and click on the Equation button. This feature is designed to allow users to seamlessly include mathematical expressions within their presentations. It's a handy tool for educators, students, and professionals who often deal with numbers and mathematical representations. Simply click on Equation, which will open up a new set of options tailored for crafting mathematical expressions. Next, you'll want to look for the Structures group within this context, which typically is on the far left of the equation tools that pop up. In this group, you'll find several options for formatting different types of equations, but our focus today is on creating fractions. Click on Fraction, and you will see several format options for different types of fractions, from simple horizontally formatted ones to more complex vertical stacks. Once your fraction format is chosen, it's time to get typing. Enter your desired fraction numbers, with the numerator first, followed by the denominator, directly into the placeholder that appears on your slide. This straightforward action instantly updates your PowerPoint slide with a professional looking fraction visual. It's practical, visually appealing, and will undoubtedly elevate the standard of your presentation material, and there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can effectively include fraction visuals into any PowerPoint presentation. This feature will help make numerical data easily understandable and visually compelling for any audience you are presenting to. Thank you for joining us today, and feel free to explore more features within PowerPoint to further enhance your presentation skills.